Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Bravia supports screen mirroring and is updated. This avoids protocol mismatches. Next, make sure the TV and your phone or laptop share the same Wi-Fi network, or enable Wi-Fi Direct on the TV for device-to-TV connections. Once done, open the TV settings, go to Network and find Screen Mirroring or Miracast, then set it to Ready or Accept. This primes the TV to receive a connection and prevents repeated pairing prompts when you proceed. Now you initiate the link from your device. On Android, pull down Quick Settings, tap Cast, and choose the Bravia. Grant any permission prompts. On Windows, open Action Center, select Connect, pick the Miracast-capable Bravia, and set Project to duplicate or extend depending on what you need. If using Wi-Fi Direct instead of your home network, find the TV's SSID on your device, connect and enter the PIN shown on the TV. Make sure to wait for the TV confirmation. This ensures a stable handshake between devices. Finish by switching the TV input to screen mirroring and tuning display settings like resolution or aspect ratio so the image fits correctly. If you see lag or dropouts, move the source device closer, disable VPNs, or avoid Heavy 2. 4 GHz interference. These steps reduce latency and packet loss. If nothing connects, power cycle both devices, re-establish Wi-Fi Direct pairing, and check for firmware or driver updates. This single troubleshoot tip, restart then update, fixes most stubborn connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.